Hi guys, Avik here from the Global Developer Network. In this video, we are going to be completing FreeCodeCamp's challenge called Make Dead Links using the hash symbol. Now, what the hash symbol does in an anchor tag is it creates a sort of a link where it doesn't go anywhere. So it can be particularly useful if you are building a new site and you have sections of content that you don't know where they'll point to yet. Also, it can be used later when we learn JavaScript and a library called jQuery. So what we can do for now is we can delete the content inside the href attribute and we can just put a hashtag symbol. And now, if we click the cat photos, it doesn't take us anywhere. So that's what a dead link is. Alright, let's run our tests. And there we go. Alright, so let me know in the comment section below where you had difficulty in this challenge and whether you like this video tutorial or not. Also, please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel for future updates. Alright, so see you in the next video.